And just like that, we're back again with another update on Hbar. Shout out to the Hbar family, of course, for showing so much love. We're starting off a brand new week, and we're starting off on a really positive note, specifically with what's happening with BTC right now, which has gotten a lot of people shocked right now, which of course we're going to talk about. And the broader market, of course, is reacting in a positive way. Hbar up 1% right now, so it's not seeing crazy price action right now, because when I shared the Bitcoin chart with you guys, everything will kind of add up. But we are up about 1.2% in USD comparative as of recording this update, with the price currently sitting at 26.3 cents, down about 1% in Bitcoin comparative. Now, looking at the market cap, $11.2 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume at about $240.2 million. And before we get into any further, as always, just a quick disclaimer, anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So let's start off by taking a look at the dominance index. So yesterday we of course highlighted how we did break below the July lows, came down to the likes of 59.8%, but since then we're starting to see the dominance picking up. Let's actually take a look at the dominance on the hourly perspective so you kind of get a better perspective. You can see we have seen this upside, for the dominance, but on the other hand, Bitcoin saw a major push towards the upside, a huge bounce right now, and I haven't even looked at the liquidation numbers, but I believe, we probably saw a major liquidation right now for a lot of shorts here. But you can see, we were just sitting on August 2nd at 112,000, and right now we are retesting literally all-time highs for BTC, which itself should tell you this is a big move for Bitcoin. Right now, with this push towards the upside, especially after, we broke above $120,000, we're retesting some of the levels we actually haven't seen since, July 14th. So almost a month since the price has been above 120,000, above 121,000 to be exact. And that itself should really show you that, we are picking up a lot of steam right now. But with the way, Bitcoin pushes up like this, of course, it's going to have an impact on the dominance, which we're seeing right now. But in the grand scheme of things, nowhere near where we were back at the beginning of July. And that should really tell you what this means for altcoins in the upcoming days ahead of us. So if you're looking at Hbar right now, obviously if you're looking at BTC, of course, we're going to see a little bit of a rejection closer to the all-time highs, but we're very close towards all-time highs, and we could potentially even see a new all-time high for BTC maybe sometime this week. It's only about a 1.5% move from where we currently are. But if you're looking at Hbar's price right now on the hourly perspective, we're having still a little bit of a hard time actually getting back into this 61.8, which we're still in, but above the key range, of course, around the 27 cents. Haven't been here since July 31st. We came very close to it just yesterday. We came once again very close to this key resistance, but have seen a rejection. So literally over the course of the last few days, several different rejections. I'm personally projecting we're literally getting closer and closer to this. Once you turn this into support, I personally think this could really start heading back up to the levels which a lot of people want to see. So far, so good still. Yes, we're having a little bit of a hard time breaking out of this key range, but also we need to keep in mind 24-hour trading volume is still quite low, but that doesn't always mean a bad thing because the price is still holding quite nicely. So I am anticipating, a breakout sooner rather than later. But with that said, keep a very close eye on the dominance as well. We'll see you later. It's been Crypto ZX and peace out.